Electron configuration. Noble gas notation. Noble gas core notation. This is the short way. Instead of writing out all of the electrons in the configuration, you can write out just the ones since the last noble gas. Doesn't that sound easy? Example. Find carbon on the periodic table and then go back until you reach a noble gas. In this case, it is helium. We can use shorthand to indicate all the electrons that are identical to helium's configuration by putting He in a square bracket and substituting it for those electrons. Noble gas notation. So here's what carbon would look like. We have the He, which we just talked about, and then He does the 1s orbital, and we start with the 2s orbital and then the 2p. Then another example would be tellurium. We start with the noble gas that comes before tellurium, and it's krypton, and then we start with the 5s, 4d, and then the 5p, where tellurium will be found. How? Well, here are the steps. Put symbol for noble gas from the previous row in brackets. Start at the beginning of the row where element is located. That will be in an S block. Move to the right, writing down any sublevels and or blocks that you move through. You'll have to refer to previous set of notes because we gave that to you on previous set of notes. Here's an example. Sulfur. There's where it is, right here. Put the symbol for the noble gas from the previous row in the bracket. So the previous row is neon. There it is. Start at the beginning of the row where the element is located. So we're in the 3s block. Move to the right, writing down any sublevel and or blocks that you move through. That's the 3s, and then the 3p, and then we count up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's the 3p first, right all the way up to sulfur. Bromine, found in period 4. Previous noble gas, in brackets before it is argon. It's in period 4, so we're going to start with 4s. So 4s2, then we got the 3d, we got 4p, which goes up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tungsten is the next element. Previous noble gas before that is xenon. We're going to write down, start with the 6s. Then we're going to do the F, 4f. Then we're going to the d orbital, the 5d.